Oh, hey there, neighbor. Hate to bother you, but I gotta talk to you about something important. Y'all been way too quiet over here. It's downright suspicious. Normally I hear your dog barking, your kids maybe yelling, you dropping a pan or two, but this week, nothing. Just the wind and that creepy owl that keeps howling at night. Whole neighborhood's been talking. Used to y'all being the soundtrack to our afternoons. Now I can hear my wife chew, and that's traumatizing. So maybe, throw up a little party, blast, maybe some music, turn up the TV, because this peace and quiet nonsense ain't gonna fly around here. Gonna have to call the HOA if y'all keep acting civilized. Anywho,